How to fix iPhone camera not working. So if you want to fix your iPhone camera not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to first reboot. By just a simple reboot, it will fix your glitches on your iPhone. So to do a forced restart or reboot, you need to quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button and press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, it will restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is update your software. Open up your settings, and from the settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with General, and then go with Software Update. And if you have any updates on your software, just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or you can go with General again, scroll down all the way down, and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. From here, you need to go with reset, which will be in the bottom, and reset all of your network settings. After resetting your network settings, you need to go back, open up your camera, and it will fix your problem. But if none of these solutions worked, then it might be a hardware issue. In this case, I recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.